Microsoft Outlook users that have a paid Copilot license, there is a great new feature in Outlook regarding calendar. If you have conflicting events, Copilot can actually just automatically reschedule your meetings. Let me show you how this works right now. Got to have a Microsoft 365 paid Copilot license. This works for the new Outlook, which I'm in right now. Works for Outlook on the web, and it also works in Microsoft Teams. So those are the three apps it works in. Does not work in Outlook Classic. I'm going to schedule something on Monday morning with Carol Wilson, my coworker. I have intentionally blurred out my email. I've already put in the title. I put in Carol Wilson just to hide the emails. But there's the new feature. If conflict arises, let Copilot reschedule this event. Another great feature is I'm going to turn that on. I love this. If it does have to reschedule this, when are some acceptable times? When you click on this, you can pick the date and you can pick kind of the time slot on when you want it to reschedule. Because maybe I happen to know that Carol is always free in the afternoons on certain days. I could do this. Let's leave it like that. She's always free in the afternoons on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, but I happen to find a morning slot with her, so let's just leave this like that. And I've got that selected. I'm going to hit send. It didn't matter whether it was a Teams meeting or not, also, just to be clear about that. So now there is the scheduled meeting, so let's do a conflict. Just to keep this simple, something comes up. I don't care what it is. I'm not even going to put any attendees in here, and I'm going to hit save. So now I clearly have a conflict with my marketing meeting with Carol. Give it approximately 60 to 180 seconds, and it will move that marketing meeting with Carol to sometime in the afternoon on either Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, because those are the time frames that I put in. Another great feature that I like is it will email you also just to remind you that it actually did move it. Let me just give it a second here. Okay. It took under 60 seconds and it has moved it to Tuesday afternoon, marketing meeting with Carol. I'm going to go pop into my inbox just to show you that email that I get. Here is the email that I automatically received. Copilot found a new time for your event, marketing meeting right there. I haven't tested it yet, but I believe that this feature is only available for one-on-one meetings. I will put it down in the blog post, or I'll put a message up on the screen after I run through that. But right now, this is a great feature and I actually use it all the time. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments down below. Have a wonderful day.